Welcome back to the Yottalk podcast, the place where we break down the latest tech trends, tools, and ideas shaping our digital lives.
Good to be back.
So today, we're diving into something I think is incredibly useful and actually surprisingly accessible for pretty much everyone. Free AI tools. The kind you can actually start using, like right now, to make daily life a bit easier, maybe smarter. More productive, definitely.
Yeah, it's amazing how this stuff isn't just for, big tech companies anymore. It's really filtering down.
Exactly. These are like everyday helpers powered by AI, boosting creativity, handling tasks.
And the free part is key, right? Making powerful tech available without that big price tag. Real advantages for day-to-day stuff.
Totally. So where should we kick things off? Maybe the one everyone's heard of, ChatGPT.
Good place to start. It's definitely generated a lot of buzz.
So what's the core thing there? What's it really good for day to day?
Well, think of it like a really versatile AI assistant you can just chat with for quick content ideas maybe, or brainstorming different angles for something you're working on, even drafting like a first version of an email or a social media post. It gives you a starting point.
Kind of like a research assistant in your pocket almost.
Exactly that. Helps kickstart things.
Okay, so that's text and ideas. What about visuals? I keep hearing about Canva's AI stuff. Sounds like a big deal for content creators.
Oh, it is. It's kind of a game changer, honestly. Super fast, really easy to use, even if you're not a designer.
So what does it actually do?
Well, they've got features like Magic Write that helps you draft text right there in your design.
Ah, okay.
And Magic Design, which can whip up a whole visual layout pretty much instantly from just your basic idea.
Wow, so it makes professional looking stuff way more accessible.
Totally. Huge time saver.
Now, something else lots of people already use is Grammarly. But it's more than just spell check now, right, with AI?
Absolutely. Yeah, most people know it for catching typos, but the AI layer is much more powerful now. Well, it can actually rewrite sentences to make them clearer or help you, adjust the tone, make it more formal, more casual, whatever you need. It can even help generate outlines for things like blog posts or reports. It's a proper writing assistant now.
That's really useful for emails, I bet, or even bigger writing projects.
Definitely. Across the board, really.
Okay, let's talk organization. Lots of people love Notion for notes and project management. How does AI fit in there?
Right. Notion AI builds on that existing Notion platform. It basically adds intelligence to your notes and documents.
So it helps process the information you already have.
Exactly. It can, summarize long meeting notes automatically or help you draft an article based on a bunch of messy ideas you've jotted down.
Gotcha.
Help structure things. Really good for students, entrepreneurs, anyone juggling lots of info.
Okay, shifting gears a bit. Video. Making short, snappy videos from longer stuff like blog posts always seemed like a ton of work. Pictory is meant to help with that.
Yeah, Pictory is pretty neat for that. It uses AI to basically scan your long text or even video transcripts, and it pulls out the key bits to create short, shareable videos, often with visuals and captions added automatically. Great for social media.
So it repurposes content quickly. Saves hours of editing, I imagine.
Big time. They usually have a free trial or a limited free plan too, so you can test it out.
Nice. And what about specifically for marketing? Any tools tailored for that? Copy.ai comes to mind.
Yeah, Copy.ai is definitely focused more on the marketing and business side. It's designed to generate copy fast.
Like ad copy and product descriptions.
Exactly. Product descriptions, Instagram captions, Google ad headlines. You give it a few keywords, tell it what you need, and it spits out a bunch of options.
Super handy for solo business owners, maybe, or marketers on a tight budget.
For sure. Gets you compelling options really quickly.
Okay, one more I wanted to ask about is Descript. Heard it has a unique way of editing video and audio.
Ah, Descript.
Yeah.
It's clever. It works by transcribing your audio or video first. Then you edit the text transcript, like cutting, pasting, deleting words or sentences in a document, and it automatically edits the actual video or audio file to match.
Whoa, so you edit media like it's a text doc?
Pretty much. Makes editing much more intuitive and faster for a lot of people, especially podcasters, YouTubers.
That sounds incredibly efficient.
It really can be.
So it seems like the real magic might be in, using these tools together, right? Not just one in isolation.
That's a great point. Yeah, the synergy is often where the big productivity gains come from.
Like you could use ChatGPT for a script, then maybe Canva AI for some quick graphics.
Yep, and then maybe use Pictory or even Descript to pull it all together into a video.
Exactly, creating a whole workflow.
That's where you really see the power, streamlining the whole process.
So I guess the big picture here is that these free AI tools aren't really about replacing us, are they? It's more about helping out.
Precisely. They're like digital co-pilots. They handle the repetitive stuff, the routine tasks, which frees us up to focus more on the creative side, the strategy, the bigger picture thinking.
Yeah, that makes sense. It kind of prompts the question, doesn't it? Like,
Yeah.
how could you maybe weave one or two of these into your own daily routine, see what difference it makes?
Worth experimenting with, for sure.
All right, that's it for today's deep dive on the Yottalk podcast. If any of these tools sounded interesting, definitely give them a try. See how they might fit into your day.
See what works for you.
And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We've got plenty more tech talk coming your way soon.